all, welcome to the Legal Lens channel. So let's quickly get through today's topic. So our today's topic is based on about the Indian Corruption Act. So when I ask you about the Indian Corruption Act, you first get in the mind, the first question which we get in the mind, that by which act and in which year uh, enacted. Okay, so the Prevention of the Corruption Act 19 was formed in 1988, and it is a special law which is made by our Honorable Indian Parliament to prevent the corruption by the public servants or any other person out there in India. So what is the main objectives behind this Indian Corruption Act? If I ask you about, then it is to prevent the bribery in the government offices, to maintain the decorum and discipline, to maintain all rules and conducts, to make the Indian government transparent and honest, to increase the public trust in the Indian government. So these are the main reasons that is why the Indian Corruption Act is being implemented. So basically, when I ask you about the very first basic question, that is, what is Indian corruption? So what you are going to tell, that Indian corruption, or what is corruption? So it is misusing of any government or official power for your personal benefit. For example, if any police officer gives you 50,000 rupees and tells you that you will not file the complaint against this minister or anything, so what is this? This is called as bribery. That means they are trying to buy you. They are trying, they are trying to, console you through the money so that you can't file the complaint against that minister. Okay, so under section 17A, though we have the act, though we have the corruption act, but still there is one prevention की सारे जितने भी honest officers है वो सब इस मामले में नहीं फंसे, उनके ऊपर झूठा कंडक्ट नहीं लगे, इसके लिए under section 17A, investigator who so the person will be to investigate the corruption in that area or in on that person. So the first prior approval is needed from any government, from any appropriate government. And what are the investigating agencies? If we talk about, there are the two agencies which primarily investigate this corruption issue. That is, first is CBI and second is ACB. CBI stands for Central Bureau of Investigation, while if I ask you about what is ACB, then it is a special agency which is made for corruption itself, only to find out where and why the corruption is there. ACB stands for Anti-Corruption Bureau. So yeah, this was all about our Indian Corruption Act. So if you have any doubt in this topic, do let me know in comment sections. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, stay safe and take care.